Since the process of orientation polarization involves rotation of molecules, it takes longer time than other two types of polarization. Time required for orientation polarization is 10 raised to minus 10 second. Then orientation polarization is given by P0 is equal to n into alpha 0 into equation number 1. P0 is equal to n into bracket mu square upon 3 kt into E, equation number 2. But alpha 0 is equal to mu square upon 3 kt, equation number 3. T is equal to temperature in Kelvin. N is equal to number of atoms per meter cube. K is equal to Boltzmann constant 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joule per Kelvin. The above equation is called as Debate's law, which states that orientation polarization is inversely proportional to the temperature and square of the permanent magnet dipole moment. This is called as concept of orientation polarization. Then next is total polarization is equal to P is equal to electronic polarization plus ionic polarization plus orientation polarization, equation number 1. Alpha is equal to alpha E plus alpha I plus alpha O, equation number 2. But alpha 0, that is orientation polarization, the value of orientation polarization is alpha 0 is equal to mu square upon 3 kt. It is equation 3. Put in equation 2. Then next equation is given by alpha is equal to alpha E plus alpha I plus mu square upon 3 kt, equation number 3. Then total polarization of polyatomic gas is given by P is equal to Pe plus Pi plus Po, equation number 4. P is equal to n into alpha into E, equation number 5. Then P is equal to n into E, alpha E plus alpha I plus alpha O, equation number 6. Also polarization is given by P is equal to epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 into E, equation number 7. Then equation 7 put in equation 6. It is epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 into E is equal to n into E, alpha E plus alpha I plus alpha O. It is epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 is equal to n into bracket alpha E plus alpha I plus alpha O. Then next equation is epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 is equal to n into bracket alpha E plus alpha I plus mu square upon 3 kt. Then graph plotted against polarization versus reciprocal of time. Then graph slightly increases. Then slope is given by slope is equal to n into mu square upon 3k. Then n is equal to alpha E plus alpha I. Then epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1. Then Clausius-Mossetti equation. The solid dielectrics are those material which are built up single type of atoms. The example is single type atom is diamond, silicon, germanium. Such material contain neither ions nor dipoles. Hence, they exhibit only electronic polarization, that is Pi is equal to Po is equal to 0. Then total polarization is given by P is equal to Pe, equation number 1. P is equal to n into alpha E into Ei, equation number 2. Then alpha E is equal to electronic polarizability for cubic symmetry structure atom. Internal field is given by Ei is equal to E plus P upon 3 into epsilon 0, equation number 3. Then equation 3 put in equation 2. Then equation 2 becomes P is equal to n into alpha E into Ei. Then P is equal to n into alpha E into bracket E plus P upon 3 epsilon 0, equation number 4. Then next equation is given by P is equal to epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 into E, equation number 5. Then equation 5 put in equation number 4. Then equation 4 becomes, then put P is equal to here epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 into E is equal to n into alpha E into bracket E plus P upon 3 epsilon 0. Then epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 e is equal to n into alpha I into bracket e plus epsilon 0 epsilon r minus 1 upon 3 epsilon e into e bracket complete. Then epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 into e is equal to e into n into alpha I into bracket 1 plus epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 upon 3 epsilon 0. Then e get cancelled. Epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 is equal to n alpha I into bracket 3 plus epsilon r minus 1 upon 3. Then epsilon 0 into bracket epsilon r minus 1 is equal to n into alpha I into bracket epsilon r plus 2 upon 3. Then epsilon r minus 1 upon epsilon r plus 2 is equal to n into alpha I upon 3 epsilon 0. This is the Clausius-Moissanti equation. Then assumption epsilon r minus 1 upon epsilon r plus 2 is equal to n into alpha I upon 3 epsilon 0. Then multiplying both side by m upon rho, that is m is equal to molecular weight of substances, rho density of substances. Then above equation is applicable to the elemental solid directors only having cubic crystal structure. Then the polarizability of molecule is isotropic. Then polarization of molecule is by elastic displacement only. Then arrangement of molecule is isotropic. Then relative permeability of different material like diamond, silicon, germanium. Diamond 5.68, silicon 12, germanium 16. Debates generalized equation epsilon r minus 1 upon epsilon r plus 2 is equal to n into alpha I upon 3 into epsilon 0. Equation number 1. Multiplying both sides m upon rho, then epsilon r minus 1 upon epsilon r plus 2 into m upon rho is equal to n into alpha I upon 3 epsilon 0 into m upon e. Equation number 2. Then m is equal to molecular weight of substance, rho is equal to density of substances. Then Avogadro's number n average is equal to n into m upon rho. Equation number 3. Then equation 3 put in equation 2. Then epsilon r minus 1 upon epsilon r plus 2 into m upon rho is equal to n av upon 3 epsilon 0 into alpha is equal to pi, where pi is called as molar polarizability. Okay, this is final equation of Debate's generalized equation. Then piezoelectric materials. Piezoelectricity provide to converting electrical energy to mechanical stress or strain. The material which convert mechanical strain applied to them into electrostatic charge on the faces of crystal are called as piezoelectric material, and this phenomena is called as piezoelectricity. Okay, then piezoelectric effect is nothing but production of electricity by applying pressure. It is found that all piezoelectric materials are ferroelectric materials. There are two types of piezoelectric effect. First one is inverse piezoelectric effect, electrostriction. It is also called as electrostriction. Then direct piezoelectric effect, that is piezoelectric crystals, distance between two is d. Then applied mechanical force causes generation of voltage, that is applied mechanical force causes generation of voltage, that is applied mechanical force then generate voltage, that is direct effect. Then the second one is external electric field applied causes dimensional changes. Then external electric field is applied causes dimensional changes, that is d2 is greater than d. When an electric field is applied to dielectric, it becomes polarized, due to which nuclei and electrons take a new geometric position. If alternating voltage is applied between the two opposite faces of the crystal, it vibrates with the frequency of the field. Then first is direct piezoelectric effect, that is plus plus minus minus, it is piezoelectric crystal without field. Then applied electric field, that is tension and compression. Okay, there are three diagrams. It is without field, tension, compression with applied electric field. Then production of electric polarization by application of mechanical trace is known as piezoelectric effect. From figure B and C, a varying voltage E is proportional to the mechanical pressure is produced by crystal. The voltage generated can be as small as fraction of voltage or can be thousands of volt depending on the piezoelectric material and pressure is applied. Example: ammonium phosphate, quartz, Rochelli salt, barium titanate. Then applications. First, for conversion of mechanical trace into electrical signals, such as, that is mechanical trace converted into electrical signals such as transducer, oscillator, multivibrator, strain gauge. Then piezoelectric semiconductor like CDs, zinc oxide are used to transfer electromagnetic vibration into audio signal at very high frequency. Then piezometric materials serve as source of ultrasonic waves of C. They can be used to measure depth, the distance to shore position of the iceberg or submarines. Then inverse piezoelectric effect is used in quartz watches. Then barium titanate, lead zinconate and lead titanate are used for high voltage generation. Example: gas lighter, accelerometer, transducer. Then Rochelli salt is used as transducer in gramophone, becomes hearing aids on microphones and earphones. Then pyroelectric material. Second is pyroelectric material. A pyroelectric material is the one which exhibits spontaneous polarization in absence of electric field and changes its polarization on heating. That is called as pyroelectric material. Then this effect is represented by del P is equal to lambda into del T. Then where del P is called as del P change in polarization on raising the temperature, delta T, that is del P depends on delta T. Then delta T is change in temperature and lambda is pyroelectric coefficient. Then in diagram, voltage is change in voltage is shown in. Then P, that is change in polarization, that is polarization plus change in polarization, and heat, that is temperature with change in temperature. Okay. Then applied positive voltage from this side to this side. Then obtain change in voltage with respect to P and del T. Then all pyroelectric materials are piezoelectric. Then examples of pyroelectric materials is barium titanate oxide, that is an piezoelectric type of pyroelectric ceramic. Then coefficient lambda 20 and 380. Then applications of pyroelectric material are widely used in infra detector. Then infrared radiation that can be raise the temperature of the crystal even by 1/1000 of a degree can be detected. This overview of the pyroelectric materials.